there, I'm Nat from Shells for Shops in Dandenong. I've just finished Kate's course, The Recipe for SEO Success. So prior to the course I had a basic level of SEO knowledge and we hadn't really needed to engage anyone SEO wise for our small business presence online. But then we did notice that our rankings had started to decrease and our traffic was therefore decreasing and the phone was ringing a little less, and we thought, oh, okay, I think it's time to do something here. We had two choices. We could outsource our SEO, which I wasn't really a huge fan of doing given some of the horror stories that I'd heard, or we could take it on ourselves and I could do the course. We chose to do that and I'm so glad that I did. So prior to doing the course, I was really good at the research phase of, online research tools, reading articles and whatnot, but I couldn't really pull it all together in a logical way and strategically execute the plan across the website. So Kate gave me all the tools to do that and more. The resource is honestly incredible. So whether you're a template person like me who likes to tick the box, whether you're more of a visual person who likes to watch the videos, she's honestly covered every single base in this course. The course is broken down into chunks, so you avoid that overwhelm. Every week there's a coaching call where you're invited to ask questions and she answers them in an open forum, which is just invaluable. Even if you don't have any questions to ask, just going along and listening helps. The best thing now is that if we decide as a small business to outsource any tasks in the future, because we're already getting busier and I can see that might be on the cards because we're so busy due to our rankings increasing, that I can do that with confidence. So I know exactly what I'm asking for, I know exactly what I'm paying for, and I can check the work with confidence after it's been done to make sure it's been done properly. So for small businesses, it's an invaluable tool. My favourite part about the course is the fact that if anything happens in the SEO world that Kate feels we need to be updated on, the course is updated, we're all notified, and we can pop back into the course at any time to make any changes and implement any changes on our website, which is actually quite incredible. So, even though the cost initially might seem like a lot for some small businesses, given the fact that you've got lifetime access to an SEO resource that's continuously updated, is really amazing. Thank you, Kate. I got so much out of the course and I'm sure I will be revisiting it in the years and months to come.